Ever felt like drowning in a sea of to-do lists and project management headaches? You're not alone. Between juggling different teams, clients, and projects, staying organized can feel like an impossible feat. That's where project management tools like ClickUp come in. It promises to be your one-stop shop for streamlining tasks, boosting collaboration, and keeping everyone on the same page. But with all the features ClickUp offers, one question lingers. Do you have to pay per workspace for each team you manage? Fear not, fellow project warriors. In this video, we'll dive deep into ClickUp's workspace structure and billing model, so you can understand exactly how it works and pick the perfect plan for your needs. Let's talk workspaces. Your ClickUp command center. Imagine a workspace as your central hub within ClickUp. It's where you can create lists, tasks, assign them to team members, and collaborate seamlessly. Think of it as your project's mission control, keeping everything organized and everyone accountable. Now, the beauty of ClickUp is that you can create multiple workspaces within a single account. This lets you separate projects by team, client, department, or even personal use. It's essentially like having several project management dashboards under one roof. The big question: how does billing work? Here's the key takeaway. ClickUp doesn't charge you per workspace. That's right, you can create as many workspaces as you need under a single plan. This makes it a fantastic option for agencies, freelancers, or businesses that manage multiple projects and teams. ClickUp offers a tiered pricing structure, with each plan increasing the available features and user seats. So, the number of workspaces you create isn't restricted by your plan, but the number of users who can access those workspaces is. Breaking down the ClickUp plans. Let's take a quick look at ClickUp's pricing plans to understand how users and workspaces fit in. Free Forever Plan. This plan is perfect for personal use or small teams. It allows for unlimited workspaces but limits you to 100 megabytes of storage and 100 members per workspace. Unlimited Plan. This plan removes the member limit per workspace and offers 250 gigabytes of storage, making it ideal for growing teams. Business Plan. This plan caters to larger teams and agencies, offering advanced features like custom fields, dashboards, and increased automation capabilities. It also bumps up the storage to 1 terabyte per workspace. Enterprise Plan. This plan is designed for organizations with complex needs, offering priority support, advanced security features, and unlimited storage. So, how many workspaces do you really need? Now that you understand ClickUp's workspace and billing structure, the question becomes, how many workspaces do you actually need? Here are some pointers to help you decide. Team structure. If you have dedicated teams working on separate projects, creating individual workspaces for each team can enhance focus and ownership. Client management. For client projects, separate workspaces ensure confidentiality and keep client-specific information organized. Project complexity. Highly complex projects with numerous tasks and stakeholders might benefit from a dedicated workspace for better clarity and communication. The power of flexibility. ClickUp's workspace advantage. ClickUp's approach to workspaces offers significant advantages. You can create a workspace for every project, team, or client without worrying about additional costs. This flexibility allows you to tailor your project management experience to your specific needs. Think about it. A marketing agency can have separate workspaces for each client campaign, while a software development company can create dedicated workspaces for different product features. The possibilities are truly endless. Beyond workspaces, optimizing your ClickUp experience. Remember, while workspaces are a powerful tool, they're just one piece of the ClickUp puzzle. Take advantage of features like hierarchies. Organize tasks within lists using subtasks for a more granular approach. Views. ClickUp offers various views like Kanban boards, calendars, and mind maps to suit your workflow preferences. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks to save time and streamline your processes. With that said, thanks for watching. If you're looking for a project management tool that offers flexibility and scalability without breaking the bank, ClickUp's workspace structure and pricing model are definitely worth considering. Now get out there and conquer those projects. Until next time.